Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can change your phone language on the iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen, and on the home screen tap on Settings. In Settings you want to go down and tap on General, and then swipe down and tap on Language and Region. Next, at the top here, tap on iPhone language, and then go down the list and select a language that you would like to use. Okay, so select a language and then tap on change to that language. And now the phone will proceed to change the whole system language. As you can see here, if I go into the menu here, everything's all now changed to a different language. And that's it. That's how you can change your phone language on your iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.